Hey guys, sorry about the weird cut there. This is actually the next day. So, I did tweak with it a little bit. It's like we got pretty much the fitment the way we can. So, here we go. Let me show this a little bit. So as you can see, we got a little bit of gap still left on it, but actually about as much as we're ever gonna get. Do have the spare there. And we do have back here. Now this is as far as it's ever gonna go. Actually, the back is actually just as low as it can go. Actually, so squared it up real quick, and it looks pretty good actually. I'm actually gonna get that spare. I'm gonna get that actually off today. So I got tires. So, I'm sorry that I didn't able to film you guys, but, right here, I don't know if you guys can see it or not. So, that's the shock absorber right there. So this is very hard. If you have this type of car, it's actually very hard to get off. So there is a main bolt. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Probably not. Here, let's see. There's the main bolt right there. There we go. So I actually took that main bolt out because that whole arm right there, that's like right there. Oops, sorry, this is not here. So that whole arm right there, just giving me hell, and that main bolt right there was actually holding it back. So I actually had to take that one out, and actually bend the arm down. So if anybody is trying to do this to their car and you have a Subaru with the FB20, definitely pace yourself for that back one, because they are not nice. So any trick is just get that main bolt out, drop it down, and then pull it out. So and then we do have the one bolt on the bottom, and then two bolts right on the top there. So it's not in, it's inside, but but other than that, that's about it. I will go ahead and show you guys some tires real quick, because I'm gonna get that done today. So yeah, let's get it done. Okay guys, as you can see, got all those tires in the back. That's what it does. Okay, so we're actually going to go to Walmart, because it's the cheapest thing in the world to actually get tires. Get tires mounted. So we're going to head there real quick, get those on, and then hopefully get my alignment done soon. Anybody trying to actually do coilovers, just fair warning, or suspension, get alignment done afterwards, because if you don't, then you'll start wearing through your tires. Now I'm lucky enough to actually have alignment problems already, so I just need new tires anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and get those on, and then alignment done, and we should be good. Okay guys, we're back from Walmart. I actually got my tires installed. They're actually looking pretty good. So what I went with is actually a, you can kind of see it there, 235 45 17. I actually went a little bit bigger on my tires. So actually it looks pretty good. Oh great, no autofocus, come on. Okay, yeah. But they have pretty good fitment right now. I'm gonna go ahead. I got it parked in the garage right now, just for now, until alignment comes. So that shouldn't be until a couple days. So, because everybody else is booked up right now. So we'll go and get that lined up real quick, and then should be all done. Okay, guys. Thanks. Bye.